Greetings from Bosley MD Education. I'm Colleen Camp, certified trichologist and stylist, here to share with you today a new launch and innovation from Bosley called Bosley Curl. So this new product lineup not only has a nourishing shampoo, hydrating mask, healthy hair scalp, but it's specifically designed and formulated for textured hair and natural curly hair, and maybe someone that has a little bit of wave. So not only does it strengthen the hair, but it also helps inhibit DHT, which is the hormone linked to hair loss. So why did we create this new product? And specifically for your textured hair customers. So textured hair customers experience lots of different types of hair thinning and hair loss. Not only traction alopecia, which is where we have tight ponytails or tight braids that actually cuts off the blood flow to the base of the hair follicle that can create hair loss, but also heat styling can cause breakage within the strand itself too. Sometimes chemical services, partum shedding, after a young mom has that beautiful little loved one, could experience shedding, and then also CCCA, which is short for central centrifugal sciatrical alopecia, which I know is a big medical term, but it specifically happens to women that have highly textured hair. So to help understand this customer, we like to do a little bit of a deeper dive in what is their concerns. And your curly-haired customer, is experiencing not only an emotional toll when they start experiencing thinning, but also their concerns are understanding proper nutrition and supplementation. They're also looking for advice on how to properly care for their textured hair, and they're truly looking for product efficacy and quality of ingredients that not only take care of the cosmetic result, but also reparative results as well. So what does that look like? So the three key ingredients in this new formulation is rice protein, and that not only helps strengthen strands, but also improves the elasticity of the textured hair strand. Tacuma seed butter is absolutely fabulous for hydrating natural curly hair and for textured hair. It not only deeply hydrates, but it also nourishes the strand as well. And then Saw Palmetto is a wonderful DHT blocker, which is short for dihydrotestosterone, which is the hormone that is linked to hair loss that causes shedding. But blocking DHT can not only help promote growth, but also can prevent shedding as well. So you can see here the results with the Bosley curl. So not only is the hair more moisturized afterwards, but you can see over just a few months the hair growth and the reduction in breakage that the customer can experience by using this new Bosley curl kit. Okay. So the kit is purple in color. It looks fabulous in your lineup with your Bosley kits. This new anti-thinning system is suited for all different types of hair loss, including stress and weight loss, hair thinning. It not only strengthens the strands, but it helps nourish the strand and also the scalp, and it blocks DHT. So the new anti-thinning system comes with larger sizes. It comes with a 10-ounce shampoo, a very generous 10-ounce jar of mask, and then your scalp serum. It is a 2-ounce dropper to be able to targetly apply directly to the scalp. Now, talk about product efficacy. There is a plethora of wonderful products specifically for textured hair in this new anti-thinning system. So your nourishing shampoo not only has rice protein, which repairs and improves elasticity, but that Tacuma seed butter is where we're deeply, deeply moisturizing with rich hydration and also giving the strand manageability. And sea buckthorn berry actually is an antioxidant that's very rich in vitamins and nutrients. And the hydrating mask, I recommend this for all hair types. Anyone that has a longer strand that is looking for moisturization, not looking for a lot of weight, but they're looking to control frizz and reduce flyaways and help also form the curls. So, a very important ingredient for textured hair is coconut oil. Not only does that reduce protein loss, but it also offers a lot of smoothness and softness to the strand. And the guar bean, this one's an interesting ingredient. This one actually reduces flyaways and frizz because of that positive charge that can enhance the negativity to the strand that causes the frizz and flyaways. And of course, shea butter, super, super moisturizing and fantastic for that longer textured hair strand. And then the healthy scalp serum can be used up to twice a day. It comes in a dropper formula. You can take and just drop it directly on the scalp, massage it in. Not only does it have red sea algae, which helps provide essential nutrients to the scalp, but it also has Tacuma seed butter in it, which is really, really rich in fatty acid. And then the sea berry is a very, very powerful berry. It has omegas 3, 6, 7, and 9, which are fatty acids, also nourishes and moisturizes, but the omegas have also been known to help promote hair growth. So I'm looking forward to you trying this new anti-thinning system in the Bosley Curl Kit that's brand new and is available now at Great Clips. So please enjoy, please recommend this to your textured hair or natural curly or wavy customers because not only does it promote the growth, but it stops the breakage, offers the deep hydration, and offers that nourishment with the scalp serum. See you soon.